All right, thanks again for checking in as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook. The tropics are still very active. The Atlantic Basin, a hurricane, and that is going to be drifting through the central part of the Atlantic. We're also going to be watching the southwest today for not only record heat, but severe thunderstorms and heavy rainfall, which could lead to flooding. And then the northwest picking up some snowfall and very strong winds. In fact, the high wind watches and warnings in place over north central Montana for Thursday. We can see some 80-mile-per-hour winds up that way. And then from Friday into the weekend, heavy snow 1 to 3 feet in the highest elevations of north central Montana in the northern Rockies. So first round of that heavy snowfall developing. You can see some of that even pushing down into parts of Wyoming through the end of the week. So a pretty active weather pattern shaping up. And this particular wave drifting into northern Mexico, a very low probability of formation over a 5-day period. Post-tropical cyclone Jerry. We have tropical storm Karen and then Lorenzo way off to the east. So not really expecting much with Jerry there, but kind of watching Karen. It meanders about through the end of the week and then drifts west through Monday, and we're going to watch that very closely as it nears the eastern seaboard perhaps. But Hurricane Lorenzo, a Category 1 storm, drifting north into the north central Atlantic. Meanwhile, we still have Kiko out there in the eastern Pacific, and waves of energy drifting along the western portions of Mexico. Some of that tropical moisture getting fed up to the north, and we've had a lot of heavy rain as of late. More flash flood watches stretching from California to Arizona and southern Nevada. Again, maybe some pockets of half-inch to 1-inch tallies, and then even some gusty winds associated with some of these thunderstorms later on today. So a severe threat there. We have elevated fire weather concerns, red flag warnings up near the Bay Area. In fact, today we're going to be topping out near record again in San Francisco, and the southeastern U.S. looking pretty hot through the end of the week.